Yeah. My way, my way of the highway. You get any bites? Yeah. Dude, look at that fucking sky behind us. Yeah, man. What time is it? I reckon it's probably time to go, though. I'll take a look at the radar real quick if you want, so I can tell you how close the storm is to us. Yeah. Yeah, we probably need to head out, dude, because I just realized I can't access my radar right here. Unless we die today. Exactly. Alright. What's that? No. No, that shit's getting closer too. That shit ain't getting farther, it's getting closer. If it's gonna be like bad like this, Hoot did say one thing. He said, hey, if you guys are gonna fish out there, you should stay close to the ramp. Hoot said that. Well, he was on the other side, fishing the, he's staying close to the other ramp. Yeah. I don't want to get stuck in there.